Hi, my name is Tammy from Lavish for Less. Today I am packaging Lavender Scented Bath Salts. I'll begin with the back label. I will turn the bag over to remove any air bubbles and secure the back label. Then line up and add the front label. My area and dishware is clean and sanitized. With my gloves on, I bring the scale forward and tar the bowl. My previously made mix has been drying for 3 to 4 days and is ready to be packaged. I'll shake the mix into the corner of the bag and create an opening. I enjoy creating bath products for my family and friends. If you would like to support me, visit my website lavishforless.ca. I'll weigh out just over 100 grams. I package them for single use, making it easier to use, also giving my customers various options. I have the links to the packaging material I use in the description. I carefully fill the bag. Some lavender scented bath salts will add a touch of luxury to your bath. Visit my website to purchase any products or formulas. I use 3.5 by 5.5 inch smell-proof zipper lock mylar pouches, which I purchased from Amazon. I purchased the 4 by 3 1/3 inch back label, the 2 by 4 inch front label, and the 2-inch tamper sticker from Staples. The pouches are roughly 20 cents each, while the labels are approximately 40 cents per package. Now I press out the extra air and seal the bag. I prefer a tamper sticker over the heat sealer, as the heat sealer tended to activate certain mixes. Now I'll add my tamper sticker and add these to my store. Join me again for more instructional videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel.